Good morning. Today is Sunday and I'm off to a race, but it's not any race. It is a hill climb race, but it's not any hill climb race. It is a Brompton hill climb race. A Brompton hill climb race. I'm not taking part, my friend Richard is, so I'm going to ride across with him and kind of watch him, give him a bit of support, because if anyone's going to ride up, it's actually Crag Vale, which is the longest continuous climb in England. If anyone's going to do that on a Brompton, then I'll have respect, because they do not look like the easiest things to ride up a climb. So yeah, I'm going to head there now, and I guess I'll see you along the route, and we'll go and watch some crazy people riding Bromptons up a climb.
How are you? Sneaky. So the Brompton's here. How are you feeling? Are you excited? Oh, a Brompton race. See, I guess that's the good thing about Bromptons is they fold up. You know, I'm not a huge fan. Oh my, you never take it. Are you putting that on it?
Well,
for a hill climb?
Well, drop it at the bottom, wouldn't I?
I can put it on mine, I guess. So Richard's just heading up Blackson Edge to get down Crag, but it's just started raining, so I want to put my camera away. I don't want it to get too wet. It's not cold though, I've made a mistake wearing long sleeves, it is so warm. But yeah, it's raining. The clouds don't look too promising either. So I'm at the top of, well, near the top of Crag Vale now. And I was expecting, I don't know why, I thought there were going to be like loads of people with Bromptons up here, like at the finish. But there is none, so I don't really know how this works. I'm just going to wait. I might even roll a bit further down and kind of ride up with, well, ride up alongside some of them to get some good footage. But yeah, I thought there was going to be like, I don't know, like loads of people at the top cheering, but I am the only one. Yeah, so it is just me. Actually, it has stopped raining, but I'm going to show you this. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that I like these, but oh my god, I found the best cycling food. Well, they're a bit soggy now. Marks and Spencer wine gums are vegan, and oh my god, they're so good just as like a little mid-ride snack. Yeah, the rain has stopped, and I'm just gonna wait up here now with my bike. Okay, so I've just ridden down Crag Vale a little bit, and I can see the first guy on a Brompton. He is dressed as a chicken, so I'm going to give him a little cheer. Oh no! Woo! Well done! Well done! Keep going. What the hell? I'll tell you what though, it's got really cold. I'm so cold and it's raining, and these people are riding up the longest climb on a Brompton dressed as chickens. What the hell? I think this is why I love cycling so much. There are so many variations of like different types of cycling. Like obviously people doing this, like racing, audaxing, long distance ultra endurance, and then just commuters, like I say just commuters, I mean people that just enjoy riding the bike to work and back. I love the breadth of different things you can do on a bike, and I'm guessing that this is going to get all like clean that up. It's all spotty with rain. So yeah, I'm just going to wait here for Richard I think, and then follow him a little bit. Hey!
Free range, these lads, you know.
I hope so. Let's have a look. Well done! You need it, it's so cold.
Is it cool?
It's bloody freezing.
Look, that's it. Can't stop it, take it.
How many of you? How many of that are you? Two of you?
Two more chickens.
Oh, four of you?
No, just three chickens.
Oh, 3 chickens. Why 3?
There's the Brompton uphill challenge.
Yeah, I know, that's what one of my friends is doing it. I'm waiting for him. Woo! Well done! Well done!
Got your intellectual property.
What time did you set off?
Oh, what, yesterday.
Come on, right. All the best. Enjoy it.
Right.
It's raining and it's so cold. I'm taking a little bit of shelter behind this little wall. I hope no one minds. It's a lovely view though, look at that over there. You can't see it, it's just too much water getting on the camera, right? I'll speak to you a little bit.
Keep going right to end.
Keep going!
Good.
Aww, good on him.
Yeah, just a load of fun and
It is, isn't it? Oh, it's all for charity, isn't it?
Yeah, after rescue and after T-Fund in Leeds Cancer Hospital.
Oh. Oh, it's finally dried up. This has just been like a weather update video, hasn't it? But yeah, it's dried up. It was bloody cold down there though, wet. So I'm just going to wait for Richard now to come up. I don't think he'll even take it that long. He's a really strong rider. So yeah, those chaps are really nice as well. They were saying that, like, look at there's those chickens riding off in the distance. They were saying that they do it every year, and it's just to raise money for like the charities. So, what a better way to spend a Sunday? In fact, I'm just gonna sit here. Oh, it's so nice. I love Crag Vale and Blackstone Edge. They are just such good climbs. If you've never done them, you've got to come and try them. In fact, I remember when I first moved to Manchester. Well, actually, my saddle looks a little bit. Anyway, it's a little bit poking up. I better check that. When I first moved to Manchester, I remember a chap who I used to work with said, "Oh, there's like the longest continuous climb in England, I think it is, near, which is what Crag Vale is." And he was showing me on a map, and was saying, "Oh, you know, you could drive out to it, or you know, you could maybe ride to it." I remember thinking, oh yeah, I could ride to it, and then I looked and I was like, oh my god, there's no way I could ride to that. And like now you're just like, just by continuously cycling and just keeping riding. What I mean is, like, back then, like 3 years ago or whatever it was, like it seemed like such a big feat to come and do it, and then now it's like just do it on a whatever, it's just a short ride, isn't it? And I'm trying to remind myself, like, because the last few races and stuff I've done, like, have not been, like, anywhere near the front of the pack. It takes a knock on your confidence, to be honest, because you do, like, as much as I've enjoyed it, you do think, oh god, I'm so crap. And I keep reminding myself of, like, how it felt when I first started riding and how difficult it was, because obviously I was a lot heavier and I wasn't used to riding a bike. And I'd remind myself continuously, like, actually I have come a long way. And that reminds me, actually, again, oh, it's so amazing, that's why I've written this ebook, because the ebook is all about from being a complete beginner on the bike to being able to ride a long way if that's what you want. And so yeah, that's going to be coming out hopefully by the end of the month. Actually, I'm hoping it by the end of June. It has taken me a long time to do it, but I've just taken a lot of care in it, and I didn't want it just to be like just crap. I wanted it to be really, really good and really, I mean, if I do say so myself, but like useful for you, and not just, yeah, I wanted it to be useful. So yeah, let's wait for Richard. I probably look like I'm sat in the road. I'm not, it's a lay-by. There is a lay-by here. Don't think I'm just like sat in the road. Oh, look at my little bike. Although I am thinking about getting a new bike. Are there any, in fact you can let me know actually, I'm going to ask your opinions. What would you say, or if you found any, I want a rim brake bike, an endurance geometry. There's a few out there, but let me know which ones you would recommend, or which ones you like the look of. There's a few that I like the look of. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. Woohoo! Keep going, keep going, keep going! I didn't realise that was Richard. I was having a snack. Oopsie. Right, let's go and catch him up. How was your climb?
It was great.
You don't even look that tired.
I don't.
No.
Really?
No. They weren't. I only saw 3 guys dressed as chickens.
Yeah.
Is that it? Where's everyone
No, the
else?
rest are back there.
Oh, are they?
I left them at the start and haven't seen them since.
Oh god, there's cars. Hang on. Because they were saying that there's no like, I thought there were going to be like official people up here.
I had to record the time myself as well. So I could say anything really. It was like, I used the stopwatch but didn't stop it until a couple of minutes after. But it was pretty much 2:19 till 2:40.
It's not taking long.
2, I think.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
I don't know why you can do it on that.
Absolutely loved it. I can really power through on it.
And you were going fast. I couldn't tell if you were a road bike or a Brompton.
You know, I would like to see a power meter on this. I'd like to see how much power, because I reckon it's a lot more. Because once you run out of gears, and you just
got to
powering
pound
through.
it.
And I was overtaking road cyclists. So.
Well done!
Right.
Woohoo!
That was hard.
Well done. Well done! Well done.
Well, you've gone past, yeah.
Gone past now.
Yeah.
Just got back and let me show it you now. Hang on, let me find it. I should have done this before. So Richard went back down to check his time and he was the winner. So he's done a different route back, but yeah, he's done so well, although he can't lift that Brompton because it's so heavy. But absolutely amazing, well done Richard. I think his time on a Brompton was actually faster than my time on a road bike, so oh well. So I'm gonna get some food and yeah, I guess I'm gonna leave the video there. So yeah, apparently all the, sorry my mouth's a bit dry. Apparently all the like the organising stuff were at the bottom. I thought they might be at the top, but it was just like you just have to time it on your Garmin and then or Wahoo or whatever, then take it back down. It was a good day out and I will see you next video.